All right, XRP family, got a lot to talk about. You can see right now XRP is up 47 plus percent. Let me get out of the way there. 47 plus percent in the last 48 hours. So here's what I want to talk to you about. I do not want you to get caught. I want you to have a profit plan. I want you to make as much money as possible with your XRP. So we're going to talk about what's going on right now. I want to talk to you about how you're not going to get caught. You're not going to lose money. I want you to make as much profit with your XRP as possible. All right. So here's what's going on. In the last 48 hours, you can see right there, that number is $1.47. We're up 47 plus percent. And that is insane. That is less than a 50-hour run where we've seen this unprecedented movement. Why has this happened? A couple of key things. We've had shout outs from the White House. We had the meeting at the White House with heads of a lot of crypto firms, as well as the SEC, the CFTC, the heads of those respective organizations. Everything coming out of that was extremely positive. Then we had the bond buyback initiative from the Secretary of Treasury, where they're instead of going to be buying $2 billion, they're going to be buying $4 billion worth of bonds. All of this is increased to give the fact that we've seen a lot of liquidity, capital cash move back into the market. In fact, XRP alone has added over $30 plus billion to its market cap. But let's bring this back to you. Here's what I do not want to happen. If you have just bought your XRP in this latest run, here's what you have to do. Put a stop loss in place. If you're looking to make some short-term profits, let's say you bought this at $1 and now you're up 47%. I would be selling a little bit of that to take some of that profit off of the table. So maybe sell 25 or 30% of your entire stake that you may have just bought. That probably will give you your cost basis back, and then the rest of that is profit. And then protect that profit with a stop loss. So maybe set that stop loss at, say, 10% below what current trading prices are. That way, if XRP starts to move down, then you're protected. You've locked in that profit. You've put that profit in your bank account. Now, let's talk about another scenario. Let's say that you're upside down. Let's say that you own some of your XRP and you're above $1.47. Hey, that's me. I have some of that as well. Well, here's what I want to address that. Do not sell or any reason right now, because you shouldn't unless you've got to pay your rent, pay your mortgage, put some food on the table, whatever it may be. Don't sell, don't take a loss, okay? Because I think, again, $1.47 is an unprecedented move. And what's interesting about this is that XRP moved faster than everything else out there. In fact, let's take a look at the chart right now for XRP, a different view of the chart. You can see from right here, we're actually up 50%. This little box right here, you can't quite read it. I will tell you, it says 3 days, 6 hours, and we're up 52.5 plus percent. So we're actually up 52%. We've had candles wick all the way up even higher. You can see these candles, and I'm not even counting those. Those candles have probably moved us up north of 58 plus percent. That is insane. And by the way, this is